everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is Sunday today and it is hardcore raining. There's my teddy bear. But today is Sunday. We went to church this morning. Such a rejuvenating time to be with the community, but now we're back at home. It's raining. I'm gonna do a little cozy rainy day vlog to just show you guys what I do on a cozy rainy day. I do have to trek out to the world to go to Target and get some groceries and Costco. But right now I'm going to plan out my meal for this week and figure out what I need to get at the grocery store. So I'm about to make my list for groceries, but first off, I want to make some coffee. Gotta have a yummy coffee. So I have this mug that I got from West Elm. It is so cute. It's a little pumpkin shaped mug and it's currently on sale. So I don't know if it still is, but I love it so much. I'm gonna make my coffee in this. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to take your shot of espresso, you put it in your mug. Let's stand up in this mug. I have the pumpkin puree, pumpkin spice, and some honey, and I'm just gonna mix it all together. So, it looks great. So here we have it mixed together. When my juice, I'm going to take my frothed milk here and I'm just going to pour it in. I put a little bit of vanilla creamer in it so it's a little sweet, but look at that goodness. And then I'm just going to come in with a dash of pumpkin spice. It looks glorious. So Michael invited his friend over and he was playing games. So I'm just kind of quietly in the corner. But right now I'm about to leave and go to the grocery store to get some groceries. I always love to shop at Target because I feel like their prices are pretty good compared to, I don't know, traditional grocery stores. And plus, I get to look at different home decor. But this rain though, it's intense today. Like, we live in California, there really doesn't like rain a lot, so this is a pretty insane day for us. Okay, so it literally is pouring. I'm like soaking wet. My jacket is all wet. But I got my groceries to make chicken noodle soup. Man, this is a very, very committed meal today. So I'm home now on rainy days, you just don't want to do anything except just like lay in bed. And so that's kind of what I'm doing. I am gonna start reading this book that Michael got me. It's called When Strivings Sees. He surprise ordered it for me, and I'm really excited to read it. It's about this girl. She has 6 boys and is married, and she just is a great author talking about grace and the gospel, life transforming grace, and her life story. So I'm really excited to read it on this cozy day. I just made a cup of tea. Charger's blood orange. And these boys are just going at it. So it's about 4:30 now. Insane storming. But we're gonna start making this chicken noodle soup. I'm super excited. So we're gonna make chicken noodle soup. I got a rotisserie chicken, and my goal is shredding it. Yes. So soup is currently cooking. It is smelling wonderful in here. I'm excited. Chicken noodle soup is done. Yum. We just watched a movie on Netflix. It was so good. It's called Going in Style, and it's about 3 like old men robbing a bank, and it's so good and like funny and emotional. Really loved it. So now we got some cleanup to do because we didn't clean up any of our food. But I'm gonna sign off here. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and check back in for more next time. It's still raining and it's still lovely, and I will continue to enjoy it tonight. Bye guys.